Okay, for this, we're going to use the circle jumbo circle. But before I do that, we're going to talk about, because we're going to make lines, and we're going to need to center those lines on this punch. So, this is using the center ruler, and we need to find the center of this design, okay? So the center ruler, for those of you that never learned how to use it, this is really fun to use. See, how can I see that? Okay. So you see the zero, right? That is the center. So I want to find the center of this design. All right. So here is the center. And what you do is you count, like, is that zero? I only have 1, 2, 3 lines to the right. And look how many lines I have to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's not centered. Okay? This is so hard to show. So if I move it this way, is that centered? So there's my 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, that's not centered. So I need to move it down a little bit more. So let's say there. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that centered? Nope, that's not centered. So now I move it to what I look centered here. So let's see, is this centered? From the circle, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that's center. And then you just take your mark here and here. It's pencil, it's going to rub off. And you mark your center line. Okay? So why is that going to be important? Because I'm going to need that center to line up when I show you our jumbo circle. And I'm going to double check that. I'm glad we did it. Yeah, I'm a little over on that center. So that's good. I'm glad I checked that. So self was a good catch. All right. And again, these come off. So that is how you use the center ruler. So let's do this one. I want to find the center of this paper. Well, 1, 2, 3, and 2 squares. 1, 2, 3, and many squares. And nope, that's not centered. So you keep moving it until you have equal number. Is that centered? 1, 2, 3, 4 and a quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5 quarters. So that's not equal. Let's see. Is this new? That looks about it. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 squares. There is my center of my people. All right. So again, if you have any questions, please just give me a ringy dingy, and I'll be glad to help you. See you soon. This is our review number 3, how to use the center one.